ready to get your important documents signed without printing a single page. Today, we're diving into how to set up any PDF to be signed electronically using the power of Docusign. This is your straightforward guide to making sure your recipients can easily and securely add their legally binding signatures to your documents. First things first, head over to Docusign and start by uploading the PDF document you need signed. Once it's uploaded, you'll see your document displayed on the screen, ready for you to prepare. Now, let's invite your signer. You'll add their email address here and give them a name. Docusign makes it easy to add multiple signers if needed, and you can even specify the signing order. The magic happens when you drag and drop the signature field onto your document. Simply click and drag the signature tag from the left-hand panel to the exact spot where you want your recipient to sign. Make sure it's clearly placed. You'll also want to add other essential fields. Drag and drop a date signed field right next to the signature so that the date is automatically recorded. This ensures everything is documented accurately. If you need your signer to fill in their printed name, do the same with the text field. Place it where you'd like them to type their name. You can also add other fields like initials, checkboxes, or even company logos, depending on your needs. Once all your fields are in place and you're happy with the layout, it's time to send. Click the Send button and Docusign will handle the rest. Your recipient will receive an email with a link to review and sign your document. And that's it. You've successfully set up your PDF for electronic signing. This ensures a smooth, secure, and legally binding process for everyone involved. Say goodbye to printing, scanning, and mailing.